Hi, I'm Chef John Maxwell. Welcome to the Heart of the Home. We're here in Doswell, Virginia at Meadow Hall, Meadow Event Park, where we get a chance to play with great Virginia food every week, and we play with it in our kitchen so that you get to play with it in yours. Today, we're going to be working with blackberries. The place is full of blackberries this time of year. They're pick your own places. There's big farms that process it into the grocery stores. It's just blackberries everywhere. All right, so I've got some blackberries in this pan. All right, I'm getting ready to cook those. We're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich. I know that sounds a little down market for what we're used to doing on this show, but this is a grilled cheese sandwich with Smithfield ham and blackberry mustard. So getting ready to make the mustard. I'm going to turn the heat on underneath the blackberries. Let that start to get hot. Add a couple of more of those berries in there. I like them. As they get hot, they'll get soft. I'm going to add a little bit of spicy mustard into this. Give it some nice flavor. I'm going to add some minced rosemary, some cayenne pepper, and some good Virginia honey. It comes out to us out of Lexington, Virginia. I'm going to add that. There we go. And now I'm going to stir this all up. Get it hot. Want it good and hot before the sugar goes in so that it'll dissolve quickly. Otherwise, there's a chance that it'll crystallize and gum up your stuff. All right. Let that simmer for just a minute. Minced rosemary a little bit more. Okay, this is going to take a couple of minutes just to cook down till it gets a little syrupy. Meanwhile, I've got this bread. It's just a loaf bread. I'm going to cut off another slice here. We need to make sure it's nice and even. All right. Now you can use any bread you want on this. I happen to like a nice durable loaf so that it holds up as I'm grilling it. Since we're going to spread this, I want it to be mushed up. Don't want whole berries here. Chunks of berries are fine. All right, now I've cooked this down about 20 minutes. I've cooked it down so it's nice, rich, mustardy taste with the blackberries. I've lowered the volume somewhat. We're getting ready to put this sandwich together. All right, so I've got a slice of bread. I buttered one side. I'm going to put some the ham on this side. All right. And I'm going to take the blackberry mustard and put it on the other side. Okay, I've got oil in the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to that. And that starts to melt. This is the grilled cheese sandwich, but I've got one more step to go. I've got to add some cheese to this. Now I'll put the bread back on it. Now this is going to take a little while for it to brown off on one side, and then we'll turn it over. That looks gorgeous. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cut this. Here we go. We've got a grilled Smithfield ham and blackberry mustard sandwich. That's some good eating. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.